Okay, we've got this cut down, tapered down, sanded down. Now we're going to smooth this out in here. Notice I always put blocks in here when I put my head in this way. It's because this part of the head sticks up above my vise, and I want equal pressure so I don't break anything while I'm working on it. Okay, we're going to switch, work to this side on this, and then we'll be back with the next step. Thanks for watching.